The basic surgical skills trainer allows the user to carry out essential surgical skills training on one easy-to-use base. With usability and functionality in mind, the surgeon can carry out over 20 tasks on the base, including incision, suturing, tying at depth, abscess drainage, wide local excision, and cyst removal. Developed to resemble real tissue using a proprietary human tissue likeness scale, the skin pads provide natural haptics and enable the trainee to gain valuable motor skills that are directly transferable to theatre, thus improving patient care. Digitalize your skills training with Totum Mobile. This innovative new app allows the surgeon to capture performance on video using their own phone and then upload them to Totum, the Inovus digital surgery training platform, for future review. The user can also collect Royal College of Surgeons accredited CPD points whilst using the simulator. Once uploaded, the video performances can be watched back for self-review, and then send these videos to others for analysis and assessment. Time-stamped feedback can then be added, allowing for distance learning and subjective review. The full BSS Totum Mobile package includes the BSS base, a dissection/suturing pad, an abscess and cyst pad, full BSS instrumentation, a box of sutures, and the Inovus mobile phone holder